Hello, so this is the part two of how to analyze problems that deals with descriptive statistics. So remember that in our last video, so we have used this questionnaire, the life satisfaction scale questionnaire, and we also discussed how to interpret the result, and also we consider the problems that can be answered using the questionnaire. So the first one is what is the level of life satisfaction of the respondent? And the second one is there a significant difference? So obviously, problem number one requires descriptive statistics. So this is the focus of the video. So to go back, so this is also the dataset wherein we computed for the sum. So in the video, I also teach you how to determine the level of light satisfaction by using if function. So another way to do that is to use the data analysis of Microsoft Excel. So this is the data analysis. So if you cannot find this under data, you have first to click file, options, add-ins, and then make sure that you have there the analysis toolpath. Click OK, and then you're going to find data analysis now. So considering now the given scale, so we have 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19. So this is generated from the questionnaire. So this is the questionnaire 5 to 9, 10 to 14, until 31 to 35. So I just rewrite it here. So we're going to consider the upper limit. So this is the upper limit, number 9. So number 9, 14, 19, 20, 25, 30, and 35. So the upper limits are 9, 14, 19, 20, 25, 30, and 35. Lower limits are 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 26, and 31. So we call this as bin. So what we need to do is to click data analysis. So we are going to let Microsoft Excel create histogram or create frequency count and percent. So locate histogram. So histogram, click histogram and click OK. And then, so of course, if it's your first time to click this, you cannot find input range, and also you cannot find bin. So let's go back to our data. So we want that this will be the input range. So this is the basis to determine if it falls within slightly satisfied, extremely satisfied, and others. And then for the bin range, this is the one created wherein we considered the upper limits only. Let's go here and click bin. If you're going to consider the bin and the sum, then you have to click the labels. For this case, I did not consider it, so I don't need to click the labels. I can also consider chart output because you can present your data either using graphical form or tabular form. So the chart output is the graphical form. And then click OK. So this is our frequency and histogram. So to use this, let's just double check. So the total must be equal to 100 because there are 100 number of respondents. So you can use the short function is equal to sum, open and close parenthesis, and then you have to highlight B2 to B8. So the total is 100. So as mentioned, our focus is to present frequency and percent. So this will only present frequency. It will not show us the percent because we need to compute for the percent. So to compute for the percent, we need to click equal sign 17 or just select our B2 slash, then write 100 times 100%. So it's 17%. Anyway, it's equal to 100. So of course, this is 17%, 18%, 27%, 14%, 12%, 12%, and so on. So this is what we call as percent. So the frequency and percent here are the same, obviously, because the total number of respondent is equal to 100. But if it's not equal to 100, expect that it is not equal. So where will we place that? So if we are now creating our research paper, so in our statistical treatment or data analysis part, we can mention that to determine the life satisfaction of the students with separated parents, the scores will be summed up, and the higher the score, the higher the life satisfaction. For the score interpretation, it is divided into 8 categories, and here are as follows. So we have 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 21 to 25, 26 to 30, 31 to 35. And then, so let us consider this table. So for section 1, so this is our table. We have to place level of life satisfaction, strongly dissatisfied to extremely satisfied. We can now just copy this and place it here. Anyway, this is a range from strongly dissatisfied to extremely satisfied. So copy. If we paste this, so let's paste this one. Control P. So this is now our first table that will show the level of life satisfaction. So all you need to do is to edit your table. Okay, we're going to talk more of this in other